Installing Array4.3 begins at our website, GreenArraychips.com. If you're not familiar with it, the main navigation is on this left-hand panel here. For example, documentation and software sub-index of downloads is where to find all of our documentation. The tab called Customer Support Central is where you will find software releases such as 03D of Array4.3. Click this. Read this happy jive. If you feel comfortable with it, click this link right here, and down will come the code. Next step is to physically install it. What you will have downloaded is about 10 megabytes of a file called setup-aF3-03D with more information.exe. This is the installer, which also includes a bunch of documentation. Because we did not bribe Microsoft to allow us to use signatures from their certificate authority, and because we don't use their programming tools, you will see this protection message that says Microsoft Defender's Smart Screen prevented an unauthorized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. More info. Click the More Info link. And it identifies the program as app is setup-af3-blah blah blah.exe. Publisher, unknown publisher. And the right thing to do is run anyway. This will get you another warning. Do you want this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? And then you say to that, yes. This will give you a familiar Windows-style installation dialog to which you say next and accept the terms and conditions unless you don't. And now, where to install it? Put this where you intend to leave it. Don't plan on putting it where it says here and then moving it. There are shortcuts included in the file structure, and those shortcut linkages are updated at install time to reflect where you put the installation. So think about where to put it, plan on leaving it there, and say next. This pertains to where to put shortcuts if you're using a pre-dumbed down Windows Human Interface style start menu, such as the one in Windows 7 and such as the one which Start Is Back, a wonderful program, will give you back. At any rate, otherwise you'll have to copy shortcuts your own way. And now we select which of the install environments we slightly modify things for, and that'll affect the installer. And also whether to save backups of existing source files, which is highly recommended if this is an update to a prior Array4 installation and you've done any coding. Say next, verify this stuff, wait for it to spend an enormous amount of time installing, and you're done.